Meanwhile, backing Prime Minister Modi's strong statement on Pakistan, BJP has launched a blistering attack accusing Pakistan of exporting terror. But while the Uri attack has renewed the war of words between India and Pakistan, an all-out fight has also erupted back home with political parties questioning the Prime Minister's foreign policy.
कश्मीर भारत का अटूट हिस्सा है, इसको दुनिया की कोई ताकत हमसे छीन नहीं सकती।
BJP President Amit Shah echoing Prime Minister Narendra Modi's view that those responsible for the terror strike will surely be punished. Accusing Pakistan of fueling terror, Amit Shah said that the attack was an outcome of frustration after security forces foiled 17 infiltration attempts.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार का शुरुआत से टेररिज्म के प्रति जीरो टॉलरेंस का रवैया रहा है, हमारा अभिगम रहा है। हम आतंकवाद को सहन नहीं करेंगे।
Stepping up the heat on Pakistan, BJP president asserted that the country is committed to giving a strong reply to Pakistan-sponsored terrorism.
इस प्रकार की हरकत कर अगर कोई दिवा स्वप्न देखता है कि कश्मीर को भारत से अलग कर देंगे, तो वो लोग याद रखे, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार है, ये कभी सच न होने वाला दिवा स्वप्न सिद्ध होने वाला है।
While the BJP called for crackdown on terror, the tough talk has failed to cut ties with the opposition.
अब हमारी सीमाएं सुरक्षित हैं, कोई आतंकी घुसपैठ नहीं कर पाएगा। यह हमारे किसी भी नागरिक व सैनिक का सीमा पार से आतंकी घटनाओं में बलिदान नहीं होगा। ये पूरी तरह से जन अपेक्षा को पूरा कर पाने में केंद्र सरकार की नाकामी नहीं है तो और क्या है।
And here is the Prime Minister of India, who rather than walking his talk, rather than actioning his rhetoric, is now indulging in platitudes to cover the embarrassing failure of his own government to address India's national security imperatives.
With the opposition questioning Prime Minister's diplomatic policy on Pakistan, the BJP is rallying behind the Prime Minister.
Prime Minister has reflected the sentiments of 1.2 billion Indians. He was categorical, he was forthright. He has advised the people of Pakistan that they should have a government that strives to fight against things like backwardness, poverty, illiteracy, rather than trying to poke its finger at neighboring countries.
While BJP and the government vow to crack down on terror, the call to convert words into action is growing with each passing day. Bureau Report, India Today.